welcome to IMTS 2014. We are very excited about a lot of things we have to offer and to show this year at IMTS, but most of all, and what we are looking at right now, is Zoller's new innovation, the 3D check. So what is so new about it is that now, for the very first time, not only for Zoller customers, but in general, this machine, what you see in the background running, allows you to scan tools. So far, we are known widely to measure the tools very precise with high precision in the two-dimensional way. Now, for the first time, by adding additional sensors and capabilities to our known CNC-controlled machines, adding additional software, now you are able to scan the tools to the fullest. This is very accurate, very high repeatable, and as a result, CAD files which can be used to analyze the data further. So overlaying now nominal CAD files with actual data becomes child play and is a very, very quick accomplished. Tools can be measured, seats or face mills, heads, for instance airfoils can be measured, part measurement is accomplished with that machine, and we are very happy to present that for the very first time at the North American market at IMTS at 2014. What you actually see here is acquired data with our Zoller 3D check, which actually results into a point cloud. This point cloud now further can be analyzed with Zoller software to compare that to nominal CAD file. As usual, this is bundled into the known Zoller pilot-free software, which allows a very, very easy and fast analyzation of the measured tool data. Welcome to our IMTS booth 2014 again. I would like to introduce you very briefly to Zoller's latest innovation in tool inspection. What are you looking at is a complete new measurement equipment, what we call the Titan, where Zoller enters new territory in regards to the accuracy and machine building and tool inspection. This machine now, very unique at the market, has full capabilities known from the Genius 4 in tool inspection, but goes beyond actually all what is known there by including, for one side, an additional sensor right here on the side. This sensor now allows to measure the cutting edge preparation fully automatically integrated in the Pilot 3.0 software. So now completely operator independent, verifying all features at the tool, will include now for the very first time the cutting edge inspection then itself. So basically it has two cameras, two vision systems measuring the OD and the end portion then of the tool. And in addition now, what is very new with that, it includes now that sensor on the side here, which is completely rotatable and shiftable, and this now will measure fully automatically then the cutting edge itself. In addition to that, all known features inspected by the Genius are inspected by this machine, but now what's so new and nice about that equipment is that Zoller has gone the next level where the machine is completely independent from the external housing. So any vibrations now coming from the housing will not affect the measurement itself. So external vibrations, maybe coming from the shop floor or anything else, are excluded, and this allows to add additional measurement accuracy to the overall measurement equipment then. So what you see right here is already known software, measurement software Pilot 3.0 from our Genius and inspection applications itself, which are working of course now with the known simplicity for the operator and fastness of getting the measurements into. This are of course going comply with the Titan as well, and are used to operate the Titan in the known Zoller easy way to operate and use the machine then itself.
Zoller's been around with the tool management functionality for several years now, and we're Proud to be here at IMTS 2014 to be able to show some of our new software development regarding tool management solutions. What we can see on the screen is we have new cost per part calculation functionality where we can actually determine the physical cost per part for machining centers within the production. We can take a look at the screen. Here is just a brief overview of one of the cost per part functions that we have here. We can see the cost over time, and we can see here also that we have different departments also created. There are different lines, block line, head line, and crank line, for example, and we can see the costs down here associated with those. We have target cost per unit numbers that we try to achieve here. We have the actual values of what we've performed over the period of time that we can see above. Based on that information, we can also see tool performance as well. And this is looking at the individual tool assembly and inputting that information from manufacturing into our database, and we can track that information here so we can see the trend of tool performance also over the time that that unit has been in production. So also we'll be able to have a long historical information as well, which is good for identifying and root causing potential tool assembly issues that may not be making tool life or being utilized optimally in the manufacturing environment.